Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's 24 days of savings. Plus, we're going to use a 5 off 25 Monday through Friday. And we're going to do a couple of coupon reviews, guys, that's hot, okay? That you need to probably pick up, especially if you do care packages for Christmas. Sorry, guys, about the Sunday video. Deleted the entire thing. It made me nauseous. So here we are. We have a 5 off 25 this week from the 8th through the 12th. We also have our Saturday one, and then we have 24 days of savings. That's what we're going to concentrate on right now. The 18-gallon True Living totes are at $5. They're originally $9.50. If you don't stock up on anything else for the end of this year at Dollar General, let it be these totes, guys, because that is with the 5 off 25, they gave us an awesome deal. So if you have to go around today, going to every store, collecting them up, that's what you do. Use those paper coupons because I don't know if this is going to pop back once I use it this morning, okay? So that's why I'm telling you, go ahead and collect your paper coupons. I already have two. So it's 5 by 5, that's $25. Take your 5 off, divide that by 5. You're going to pay $4 for each tote. Now, if you have cash back, make sure you use your cash back because that is a good deal. Let's get to the Purex hot deal. Pick up the 35 count Purex top pods at $5.75. We're going to scan that. When we scan it, we see it's a couple of coupons. It's a spend 15, save 3, a 2 for 10, and also a earn $1 back limit of 2 manufacturer. Now, the 2 for 10 is a DG coupon. So what do we know, guys? DG coupons and manufacturer coupons stack together. 2 DG coupons will not stack together. So $10. Once you pay that out, you're going to get $2 back. Then you're going to be down to $4 each. So pick up your 35 count. Let's get these care packages for Christmas together and save. The Snuggle is $3.95. It's on sale for $3.75. They gave us a $1.25 coupon. When we scan it, we see that it's $3.75. They also have a couple of coupons. The spend 15, save 3, a $1.25 manufacturer coupon. And then they gave us a 75-cent cash back manufacturer coupon. Now, we also know that 2 manufacturer coupons will not stack together, right? So you cannot do the cash back if you are using that $1.25. Now, Gain is on sale for $9.95, but they gave us a $2 coupon, okay? Some people got an extra coupon, guys. I did not get that coupon this week. But use that $2 off coupon, and you know the imaginary spend 30, save 5, that never works, okay? Now, we also have all. I want to mention this all because it's high valued on here. $12. We have a couple of coupons. Spend 15, get 3 off, and then a $2.50 cash back. Limit 1. Now, look at the small all for $5. Right there. As you can see, we did the spend 15, save 3, and you get a $2 coupon back. So you're going to actually get $4.50 back plus the spend 15, save 3 on that all if you do that deal. Now, extra is $4.50, guys. They gave us a $1.50 coupon. Let's do the math on that one. You'll end up paying $3 for that extra, which is awesome for a care package. Now, Tide actually had a $2.05 coupon, guys. Again, I did not get that coupon. Some people did get it, though. If you got it and were one of the lucky ones, make sure you stack it with that $4 off coupon that they gave us, making out for an awesome deal for the Tide Pods, okay? And awesome to sell in a bundle. Now, the Febreze Scent Booster only is $10, guys. They did give us a high value coupon, though. They gave us a $5 manufacturer coupon that makes out for $5. That's awesome to use on a 5 off 25. Now, True Living did not disappoint with the dish detergent. $3.75. Spend $5, you get $2 off. Now, you're going to take the $3.75 and the $2 dish detergent from True Living. So those two right there put together, $3.75. As you can see, a $2 coupon. Make sure you tap that. You're going to put in $3.75 plus $2. Take you to $5.75. They're going to take the 2 off. $3.75 or $1.87 each, guys. awesome care package that I just built, put all the blue ones together. Now I'm going to do the Palmolive deal right here at $2.75. They gave us a $1.50 coupon. Now I'm going to do it with the 2 for $5 because I'm doing care packages again, guys. $5. Take away that $1.50, take you to $3.50 or $1.75 each. Guys, I'm building a care package that won't even be over $10. Now, the Clean Freak has a $1 off coupon. I do not give these away in care packages. I do sell them in my bundles. They just don't give us a big enough coupon for that, guys. Now, I do use the True Living Multi-Surface Vinegar Cleanser, and I also use the Glass Cleanser. One with ammonia-free and one with ammonia, okay? They are $2.75 or $2.50 each. They gave us a $2 off coupon when you buy 2 of those. So let's scan it. $2. And we're going to do the math on that. Leave you at 5. Take the 2 off, 3. So we're going to pay $1.50 each for those, guys. Awesome deal. Grab your vinegar. I'll also throw these in my bag. Now, no pink ones. My cousin found these. She's on a military base, guys. She found pink ones. So I don't know how she found those, but again, those totes come in gray and they also come in blue. But as you can see, you only see these red ones and these gray ones. Now, check your clearance out, guys, for the shampoo and the hair colorants because they gave us some great cash backs on them. Now, we don't know how long the cash backs will last. If we get a awesome clearance going on, that'll be nice because they gave us 4 off 2, and plus it's like a $3 off one cash back and a $4 cash back on some of these products. Okay, make sure you go through all, like your nail polishes, everything. You get a nail polish down to 95 cents. Now let's get over here because this is a separate 5 off 25 which is a IAMS. You spend 25, you get $5 off. They also have a 10 for 10 going on the Sheba and Iams cat food, guys. So I'm going to do 30. I'm going to take that $5 off, take me to 25. And there you go. I'll be paying 83 cents each. Now, I do not know if these 2 coupons will stack, so do not quote me on that. Now, guys, I just want to show you this because I'm going to hold off. Last year, these were $1.50 on one of their 24 days of savings. And look at early activation on this. The True Living foam plates, that's at $4.75. They gave us a $2 coupon, taking them to $2.75. Early activation, guys, I do not lie. Early activate, they cleaned them out already. So I will be searching the stores for some of those for Christmas because I do a Christmas party, okay? Don't forget your other 24 days of savings. You're going to do the DiGiorno pizzas at $4.50. But if you tap it, guys, guess what? That Pepsi will still apply hopefully tomorrow. Now, don't forget on Wednesday, those $4 off on the women's sweatshirts, slippers, and that mug. I want the mug, okay? On Friday, they do have the 4 feet pre-lit tree for $10. I might grab that for the salon. And then they have the gift packages and bags and wraps. That's going to be $1, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.